Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the adaptive damping system, guys, on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find it, guys. By the way, if you need to, guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share information about hidden fuse boxes, practical information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where also we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, we'll show you where we can expect to find, guys, the fuses relays for the adaptive damping system on that Mercedes C-Class. Now, quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners do not know how many fuse boxes and where they're located on that Mercedes. You have 6-7 different fuse boxes. Some don't even look like fuse boxes, guys. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. Our subscribers told us it's a video that can save them thousands of dollars in repairs. Today we work in 2 fuse boxes. The first one is on the passenger side. In the footwell compartment, guys, on the right side on that A pillar, on the plastic trim you have one plastic cover. Open it and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Now, if you have that option, let's explain where you can expect to find the fuses. Specifically, we don't, but we will show the location so we know what to look for, guys. That fuse here is 317, then 18, 19, 20. Fuse 320, so that will be the 4th fuse from top to bottom on the left side. That will be the one that you will need to check right here. Now, there is another one where in the trunk, open the trunk, lift the carpet liner up, guys, and in the very back on the right side right here, you're going to have another kind of like soft carpet flap. Lift it up. Underneath is the main trunk fuse box. And if you have the adaptive damping system, most likely you will have fuse 459. We'll be talking about that fuse right here. That one will be the one that you need to check. What about what about a relay? Most likely you don't have a relay. You have those fuses only. The relay part is practically controlled by the module. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.